Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to size your widgets. So if you look, I've got a little simple row with one text chart, but it's got the lorem ipsum text, which is pretty long, and as you know, the row can only be on one line, and as you can see, when it's like that, we get this little sort of yellow and black bar. This is just saying it's going too far, it's too big. So if you ever get that, you need to start adjusting your content. So that's what that means. But let me show you some other cool ways of positioning. So if I was to just add, text, and I'm just gonna add 3 of these just to keep it really simple. 2 and 3. Save that. Okay, so we get 1, 2, and 3. If you remember from the layout video, we can do some cool positioning. We could do like main axis alignment. We could do main axis alignment center, for example. Save that. As you see, center now. And we can also do space evening, which is a pretty cool one. I just evens them out. There's something else that we can do as well. So maybe we want more of a focus, especially if this is an image, because this is only text. But imagine if this was images, we want more of a focus on one of them. So essentially that one's bigger and it occupies more space. You can put expanded, and then inside of here you put a child. And the child is web UI. So this text, for example, and I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh, did I not paste it? Oh, I must have just cut empty space. I'll just manually type it in. So if I put 1, and if I was to just duplicate these, so we get a total of 3, but you can have as many as you need, and you can put whatever content in here that you want. If I do that, okay, so as you can see, the position is slightly different inside. Again, you can experiment with the types of widgets. So I'm actually going to get rid of this. So this is what it looks like without it. That sort of overrides that. But if we were to put like a flex property, and let's say if we put 2, this will double the natural width that it would, essentially provide. Because this should usually be, a third, and it's a little bit larger than that now. So if you want more of a focus, so we could do like 3, for example, and it's even bigger. So this is great for images, and that's really all there is for sizing widgets. Obviously the text isn't getting bigger, that will be based on font, but the content, or like the container that the text is in, is getting bigger, that sort of element. And if it's an image, and if your image is set to fill the actual container, then that will naturally get bigger, and that's the extra task. Change the text to images. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.